Udiya.
Something. Little bit.
Ha. It little bit similar, not exactly, but we can understand each other language.
How many languages in India we use? Like, have anyone knows?
If you talk about everyone has a different perspective about language.
Hmm.
Exactly, no one can tell about language. Some people they tell 3000, above 3000. Some people they tell above 4000, million, thousand, that kind of. If you talk about state wise, India has
Hmm.
28 state, and we have 28 languages. But if you, no one can speak exact same language. If you talk about your UP state, if you go to northern part of UP, they speak in different accent, different dialect in same language, Hindi. If you go to in west UP, they speak in different dialect and different accent. If you go to south UP, they also speak in different dialect and different accent. Then within 100 meters we get a different dialect and different accent, same language, right? Then
Right.
every one analysis is different from each other. Otherwise so many languages within India, according to religious wise also, caste wise also, right? Some caste they have a
Area wise also.
area wise
Area
also.
wise also.
Yeah, they have a language, one language, self language, right? Part wise also. Then we cannot
Right.
evaluate exactly, because of if you ask any Google chat GPT about Indian language, they provides a different type of answer, right?
Like I searched like 120 languages are spoken and over 19,500 mother tongues.
Then this kind of language debate is going on in India, right? If you go to south part, people they don't consider Hindi is our national language, right? They never ever consider. They don't want to talk in Hindi. If they speak in front of them, they hate you. That kind of senior citizen, I am not talking about youngster. These day youngster they want to learn Hindi language due to their livelihood. They want to go to northern part, they want to go to east part of India, and they, for their livelihood, they want to interact with Hindi, right? uh, if you talk
Yeah.
about exactly language, south part people they don't consider Hindi is our national language, right?
Yes, yes.
And
I
they
thought
don't
I
want to
saw
talk
comments.
also, they don't want to learn also. But due to their livelihood they little bit know about survival. What's your name, where are you going? And they only want to interact with daily wages people or auto rickshaw, this kind of, right?
Right,
Otherwise
right.
they want to speak English, otherwise their native language. Even though if you go to south part or you want to set up your business in there, they force
Hmm.
you to write your shop name according to their language. After that
Okay.
you set up
Yeah,
in there.
you are right.
Pardon?
These things happen between the Maharashtra, Mumbai. People are saying to speak Marathi. I know
Yes,
Marathi very
yes,
well.
yes. I
Hmm.
don't know why this is going on. Like everyone is fighting for their languages. Like
Yeah, their
Yeah,
I, we
language.
know, we
that's
all know
why.
Hindi is not a national language, right? That's true. But I don't know why, even though they are fighting for you cannot speak in Hindi.
Due to
If the person belongs to the north,
yeah,
hmm?
because of that's why we cannot merge with any kind of situation, or any kind of, we cannot tell them. Even though you see India has 28 state, it's okay. 10 state are poor state within India, like Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP. Those kind of
Hmm?
state are poor state in India.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Hmm?
How many state are you, visited?
Pardon? Could you
Did
repeat?
you get my point?
Your
Anyone
voice is
can.
breaking, Rashtra.
Ha,
No, no,
Rashid,
no.
we
He's not
cannot
breaking.
hear you. How many state have I visited?
How many state have
Have.
Have
Yeah, have you visited? Yeah.
okay, I visited Kolkata.
Absolutely.
I visited Kolkata, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. I visited some places, Chhattisgarh, Raigad. Due to I went there to appear exam. That's why I went there. I never visited personally for my interest or I like traveling. I never been there.
Okay, I have understood.
Yeah, that's why even though people mindset is a different from all state, right? Different state have a different
Yeah,
mindset people.
absolutely.
Pardon? Could you repeat?
He's agree with you. He's saying absolutely.
Okay, okay. Hmm. That's why that is also motto, and that's why unemployed increase also due to this reason. Legally migration is a less, but unlegally migration is so high in India. Even though if you see
Hmm.
Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, maximum people are illegally migration in different state due to their livelihood, right? Because of they sell their hard work. They go there for their livelihood, but they selling
Hmm.
their hard work, right? They never get job according to their qualification or degree, right? They get job
Right.
according to their hard work. That's why migration so high in 10 state, poor state in India. If you talk about Maharashtra, Gujarat, Mumbai, Delhi, South part, all state are developed state, right? Their daily wages so high in there. If you talk about poor state, our daily skillful daily wages in 500 to 600. If you go to in south part, daily wages per day in 1000. Skillful worker they get a 1200 or 10 1000 per day. On skill laborer they get a 600 700 in there, right? That's why
Okay. Yeah.
illegal migration so high in those state, 10 state in India.
Right. Right.
Yeah, legally migration because of who completed their degree in BTech or diploma, whatever they have a graduation, they get a job in IT sector, right?
Hmm.
Then they go there legally, they get a appointment letter from that department, they have a appointment letter, that is a legally. If they face any kind of unexpected situation, then government will help them, right? But illegally
Hmm.
people they go there, they get unexpected situation, murder case, means any kind of thief, this kind of they face,
Hmm.
someone murder them, then government also they don't have record to help them, right? This kind of we cannot refuse also, and we cannot government also takes so many initiative to help them, but people they don't ready to cooperate them. That is also big issue, right?
Right. Right.
Welcome, Nantha.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Nanda.
Hi,
welcome.
Sakshi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hello.
hi.
Hi.
Rasid. Nice to meet you, Rasid. Hmm.
Nice to
Okay.
meet you,
Continue.
Rasid. তুমি কেমন আছো, Rasid? I asked also, I greeted him also. Nantha, I will tell
Yeah.
Hmm.
on behalf of you.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then
Rasid is having
we are
today also
talking
working
about
day.
unemployed. We are talking about
Okay.
migration, unemployed. Do you want to
Hmm.
participate with us?
Yes, yes. You can. You. I will join. I will just. Okay. You continue. I will just answer. Give my answer.
Okay.
Sakshi,
Yeah.
what is your?
Rasid, are you there?
Pardon?
Mm-hmm.
Rasid is mute.
I think his network is not good.
My network is not good?
No, no, your is fine.
Okay. Then I asked
Hmm.
how many unemployed in India?
Hmm.
Nantha.
Okay.
And which type of
Actually, I
category
don't know
are
the ratio.
unemployed? And? Sorry.
Which category? Actually, educated peoples are unemployed. That is the total
Right.
category.
Right.
Okay.
You are right.
Ah.
3 type of
Actually,
unemployed.
laborship.
Known
Yeah.
as the 3 type of unemployed: educated unemployed, illiterate unemployed,
Hmm.
and farmer
Ah.
unemployed. Right.
Oh.
Educated people, they have a good degree on their hand, right, but they cannot
Hmm.
get a job according to their qualification, and they don't ready to do in clerical job. That is also big issue. Their professional life and their desire mismatch. That's why they quit that job and they don't want to do any kind of work also, right? That is a hectic. Or
Ah.
if they live in high means society fluent life, my point of view, if their parents working in high position, their kid also they don't want to ready to do clerical type of job. They also think I want to do job like my father, right? Big position, handsome
Correct.
salary. That's why,
It's nature.
yeah, that is a nature. illiterate people illiterate people are less unemployed. Because of illiterate people, they ready to do all kind of work, right?
Ah.
They
Yes.
cannot give provide their time to everyone to do work. Anytime they get a job, right?
Actually, some illiterate peoples will get a laborship work immediately. They are in demand. Okay. Actually,
Yeah,
the
labors.
labor works for mason.
Yeah,
Their
that's
work
why
is demand.
skillful or unskill worker. This day you cannot tell anyone you are laborer. That is a ancient period, we call them laborer. But right this day in digital era, you call them skillful worker, unskilled worker. Okay, due to their self respect. You don't hurt their dignity. They have also dignity, they have also self respect. We call them skillful worker and unskilled worker. Okay, Namtha.
Yes, I accept in it. Okay, but skilled workers comes under engineering category. They are
No,
working in
no, we
factories.
call them also
Ah.
this laborer type of. We don't call them in laborer.